So, you're a life coach and you want to make more money. Well, then this video is for you.
Yeah. We all win when we all win. We all win when we all win.
Hey there, my friend. I'm Super Sid, the marketing shaman, and I help life coaches and healers create and generate their first or next 10K paydays for their life coach and healing businesses in 30 days or less using profitable presentations. And in today's video, we are going to be talking about specifically the number one way, the best way, right, that you right now as a life coach can go out there and make more money. We're going to not only be talking about what that way is, but we're going to be talking about in this video how you can go out there in the next week, in the next month, right, and use this way that we're going to talk about in this video to make more money and sign up new clients, right, really quickly and consistently in your life coach and healing business. So without any further ado, let's go into this video. All right, so first things first, why are most life coaches not signing up clients? Why are most life coaches really struggling when it comes to signing up clients and it comes to making money? And the truth of the matter is many life coaches fall into this kind of idea that what matters about clients that are signing up with them has to do with how many certifications they have or what it is that they know or the information they've been able to gather. The truth of the matter is you're not going to get paid you're not going to get paid money, right, as a life coach because of the information that you know or the information that you tell people. Information's everywhere. I can go and look up on Google, on Yahoo, on Bing, whatever it is I want. I can go online right now and find any piece of information that I want right now. People are not going to pay you as a coach for the implementation. You're a coach. They're going to be paying you so they can get help and they can get implementation and they can get strategy and they can get a guide, right, that's going to help them get from where they're at now to where they want to get to, which is going to be their goal. And you are going to play that guide and that in-between that's going to help them get to that goal from where they're at right now a lot faster. So what we want to make sure that we do is that to make sure that we understand that as a coach, right, we need to go out there and demonstrate how we are helping people by actually helping people. Remember, as a life coach, we are helping people in one of three core markets, right? We pick our niche out of one of three core markets of health, wealth, or relationships. And what we want to do is we need to identify that group of people inside those core markets and then identify a problem that that group of people has. That becomes a niche we go after. And we want to make sure that we are talking to those people every single day about how we can help people inside that problem. And we do this, and what we're going to talk about how we do this, and the number one way that you can sign up multiple clients every single week and consistently is what we call here at Life Coach Launch, profitable presentations. Before I go over profitable presentations and how specifically you can use profitable presentations to sign up new clients for your life coaching business consistently every single week, I want to remind you to subscribe to this channel. I'm putting out new and exciting videos every single day showing life coaches and healers how they can go out there and create and generate their first or next 10K paydays, where they go out there and generate $10,000 for their life coach and healing businesses every single 30 days or less using profitable presentations. Make sure to click that button below and subscribe. All right, so what is the thing that we are going to use and that a lot of life coaches are using right now in regards to signing up, right, a lot of people at once, going out there and signing up clients really quickly who need their help for their life coach and healing business. And what that is a profitable presentation. That's where they go out there and they demonstrate exactly how they can help people by actually helping people, and they do it in front of a group of people who need that help. The truth of the matter is again, you're helping people in health, wealth, or relationships with a problem that they have. A good chance is a lot of people have that problem. And if you're around those people in that niche, right, communicating with them with messaging that you have and through the marketing that you're doing, you are going to be surrounded by a lot of people who have that problem and need that help. So when you are going out consistently and helping people with that problem, right, in that niche, you're going to have people that are going to be attracted to you, wanting to get your help. And they're not only going to be wanting to get your help because you saying that you do something, they're going to be wanting to get your help because you are demonstrating exactly how you can help them by actually helping them at this profitable presentation. And then we go out there at this profitable presentation, we help these people, and then at the end of this profitable presentation, we then make an offer to these people to help them with the offer that we have to help the people around the problem that we're solving. So the way that we do this is we'll put on our profitable presentation, help the people, and then at the end of that profitable presentation, simply ask them if they want to continue getting our help. A lot of times during those profitable presentations, people are going to sign up with you at the end of that profitable presentation to continue to get your help because guess what? They got your help with that profitable presentation and they want to continue getting your help more. All right, so we talked about a profitable presentation. Now let's talk about a little bit more of the tactics, right? Like, what are you going to do to be able to go out there and sign up, right, new clients using a profitable presentation here in the next 30 days? Now, it doesn't matter if you're just starting from scratch. It doesn't matter if nobody knows that you're a life coach yet, or it doesn't matter if you've been a life coach for a while and you have, a big list. This doesn't matter, right? What we want to do The first thing we need to do is understand like what we're going to talk about in this segment, right? First thing is we're going to talk about the 3 things we need to focus on during a profitable presentation to make it a success. What are we going to do before, during, and after that presentation? So usually, right, especially if we're coming out and we don't know a lot of people, or we're just becoming a life coach, or if we're, been a life coach for a while and we want to go out there and make money quickly, we run what's called a cash campaign. This cash campaign is where we let everybody know through every distribution channel that we have. This could be email, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, whatever it is, where we're connected with people, right? And we want to make sure that we are letting those people who are connected to us that, hey, we are solving this problem. We are going to be putting on a profitable presentation and we would love for you to come. It's a free presentation. You can come live, and when you come, right, we're going to be showing you how you can solve X, right? And then when you do that, you are going to start inviting people to come to this presentation. It doesn't take a long time. That's why you typically can do this in 7 to 10 days. We have clients, and we've done this ourselves, as well as had many clients, right, go out there and pull this off in a matter of days, and even under 7 days, by simply just going out there, letting people know what they're doing, putting on a presentation, and asking people to sign up with them at the end of that presentation for a new offer. So like really like that's what this is. And then at the day of, we obviously need to make sure we show up. And then beyond showing up, which believe me, what sounds easy, a lot of people don't show up. A lot of people that don't see success with this is simply because they didn't show up. But like beyond that, like, when we do show up, what we want to make sure we do is we get there and we put on a good show. We want to like give them our energy. We want to help them. We want to be genuine in wanting to actually help them with the problems that they have. Because if we help them and aha moment, like they help me help me with something I wasn't able to get help with myself, this is going to put them into a yes state of mind. That yes state of mind is going to make it a lot easier for them to say yes to you when you present your offer to them at the end of that profitable presentation. All right, so then now, like at the end of this profitable presentation, we talked about what to do before, during. Now at the end of this profitable presentation, we want to look at signing up them in 3 different ways. The first way is obviously presenting to them your offer at the end. We call this a sales stack, and we have a very specific way that we do this at the end of their profitable presentations. So this is the first way they'll sign up with you. The next way is to reach out to people who came to your profitable presentation but didn't sign up, as well as people who registered. And we want to make sure that we get those people who registered but maybe didn't come to come and watch the show, see the offer. And then also we want to make sure that people who do come, right, to the profitable presentation where they came live or a replay, we want to make sure we reach out to those people if they didn't buy and get on a strategy call with them so that we can talk to them about the presentation and specifically how we can customize what we talk to them about that presentation for their business. At the end of that call, we simply do the same thing. We just present to them the offer individually, right, that we talked about on that presentation to them, and specifically talk to them about signing up with us in the offer that we are going to present them. And then last and certainly not least, maybe they're not ready. Maybe it's not the right timing, but what we want to do is we want to keep them around us. We want to keep nurturing that relationship. We want to keep helping them. And then ultimately when it is ready, we want to be in front of them so they know to reach out to us to get that help. And we do this by consistently inviting them to more and more of our profitable presentations that we are looking to run consistently so we can sign up new clients consistently for our life coaching business. All right, and then, really like the last piece of this is you're gonna run a profitable presentation, you're gonna sign up clients, but it's not about running one profitable presentation. It's not about being a one-hit wonder, as they say, right, in the music industry. It's about going out there and being consistent, right? Motivation and doing your profitable presentation the first time, yeah, it's gonna take a lot of motivation. It's gonna take a lot of energy. It's gonna take a lot of effort. And when you do it and you're successful with it, don't you want to do it again so you can be successful with it again? So this is about doing it consistently. And here at Life Coach Launch, we talk about running profitable presentations every single week, because when you run them every single week, you're going to maintain momentum, you're going to build momentum, you're going to keep people around you every single week. That's going to give you opportunities every single week for you really to focus in on so that you can help the people that come to your profitable presentations every single week, and you can have opportunities every week to sign them up. So what we want to make sure that we do is that whether it's every single week or it's just consistently, we want to make sure we're putting on profitable presentations consistently so that we have the opportunities to go out there and sign up new clients for our life coaching business of people that we help here at these profitable presentations. Are you a life coach who's wanting to go out there and get new clients quickly? Well, I just got done with this brand new guide called the 100K Life Coach Launch Guide, which is a 22-page guide, which is going to go over with you the three-step selling system that we talked about and we help our clients with here at Life Coach Launch so that you can use profitable presentations to go out there and sign up new clients here in the next 30 days flat. Just go down there in the description and grab your free 100K Life Coach Launch Guide right now. And don't forget, we all win when we all win. I choose to win today, and I hope you choose to win by going down there right now and claiming your free 100K Life Coach Launch Guide right now. We'll see you in the next video.